Correct the syntax error. Python. 1a plus b is equal to c. 2 print, sum is equal to s. 3 d is equal to a. 3. 4 print, a plus b. 5, sum is equal to a times b. 6 c is equal to a asterisk asterisk 2. 7a is equal to input. Enter a no. 8 cd is equal to a plus b. 9 cd is equal to a times b. 10 print a. Number 1. Wrong code. A plus b equals c. Correct code. C equals a plus b. Explanation. In Python, assignment always happens as variable equals expression. We cannot assign a value to an expression. Number 2. Wrong code. Print in capital letters. Correct code. Print in small letters. Explanation. Python is case sensitive. That means print with capital P is not recognized. But print in lowercase is the correct function. Number 3. Wrong code. D equals a caret 3. Correct code. D equals a double star 3. Explanation. In Python, the caret symbol means bitwise XOR, not power. For exponent, we must use double star. So a double star 3 means a raised to the power 3. Number 4. Wrong code. Print colon a plus b. Correct code. Print, open bracket, a plus b, close bracket. Explanation. Functions in Python always take arguments inside parentheses. Colon is not allowed here. Number 5. Wrong code. Sum equals a cross b. Correct code. Sum equals a star b. Explanation. The multiplication sign cross is not recognized in Python. We must use the star symbol for multiplication. Number 6. Wrong code. Capital C double equals a double star 2. Correct code. Capital C equals a double star 2. Explanation. Double equal is a comparison operator. It checks equality. For assignment, we use a single equal. Number 7. Code. A equals input, bracket, enter a number. This is already correct. Explanation. The input function takes a string message and waits for the user to type a value. Number 8. Code. cd equals a plus b. This is also correct. Explanation. cd is a valid variable name in Python. Number 9. Wrong code. cd equals a cross b. Correct code. cd equals a star b. Explanation. Again, multiplication must be written with a star symbol, not a cross sign. Number 10. Wrong code. Print square root a. Correct code. Print, bracket, a double star 0.5. Explanation. Python does not recognize the square root symbol, but square root can be written as power half. So a double star 0.5 means square root of a.